The back, see how it sags in? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. I'm not sure which video I got coming out first, but I'm working on two probably at the same time. The one with the injectors and this other little project that we're going to take a look at, and it's this right here. The back, see how it sags in? You might be able to see it, but yeah, it sags in, and we're gonna try to see if we can cut some kind of board or plywood, maybe not plywood, probably some thin wooden material to go up under this to flatten this out, make it nice and sturdy across here. And I'm thinking about cutting this, making an access panel right here in the back while I got it out. Go ahead and disconnect it from the two spots up here, and then cut a little access panel in right there. Yeah, well, give some. Yeah, that's something I'm thinking about looking into. So I'm gonna head to Lowe's and see if I can find some material that I can use for this project. And I'll get back with you when I get back. I'm not gonna take you to Lowe's. Y'all know what it looks like. All right, back from Lowe's, and we got a piece of 4 foot by 4 foot plywood. I'm gonna attempt to cover this up underneath to make like a nice little platform or whatever, so it'll be nice and sturdy, because you saw how rickety it was. So let me get you set up so you can watch at least. As you can see, I got it done. Nice and solid. And to open it up, that's it, open. As you can see, I did an angle cut. Yeah, it's at like a 45-degree angle. 3 hinges. I did notch out the little edge right there, just so it'll clear my little light and everything. And also I put a piece of, I screwed in a piece of wood right here for a little bit of reinforcement in the center to help keep it from just bowing again. Exactly what we're trying to get it rid of. But you see it closes pretty good. Maybe a little rubbing. But able to use my rug back here and keep my battery mounted back here and still have access to the spare tire area. Yep, that's it. Still got a nice clean look to it, even though I need to paint this thing probably like gray or something, or black even. Yeah, that's it. That's just a little something while I was waiting on my little injectors, the little adapters to get here. So I decided I'd go ahead and do that. So if you would, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you get that fresh stuff when it comes out, and I'll see you later.